Netflix and earn money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Think again. While you've been binging your favorite shows, others have been quietly turning their Netflix obsession into a legit side hustle. Imagine making cash while analyzing Squid Game theories or recommending the latest must-watch series. If that sounds like your dream gig, stick around because today, I'm revealing how you can make money with Netflix. Before we jump into the juicy details, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss these smart earning tips. Monetize your binge-watching skills. Let's face it, you've got opinions about every Netflix show under the sun. Why not turn those hot takes into cold, hard cash? Start a YouTube channel, blog, or even a TikTok account dedicated to Netflix reviews, recaps, and recommendations. Viewers love knowing which shows are worth their time, and platforms like YouTube will pay you through ads as your channel grows. Bonus tip: include affiliate links for Netflix subscriptions in your content and earn a little extra. Be a Netflix tagger. Yes, Netflix pays people to watch shows. It's a real job called Netflix tagger, where you categorize content by genre, mood, and themes. Imagine getting paid to label Stranger Things as sci-fi, nostalgic, and why does everyone in Hawkins still live there? The positions are rare and highly sought after, but when they open up, it's your golden ticket to a dream job. Keep an eye on Netflix's job board to snag this gig. Sell Netflix-inspired merch fan art, funny quotes, memorable moments. Turn them into merch. People love repping their favorite shows, so consider designing t-shirts, mugs, or posters inspired by Netflix originals. No artistic skills? No problem. Use tools like Canva to whip up designs and platforms like Etsy or Redbubble to sell them. Just remember to steer clear of copyright infringement. Your Stranger Things mug might need to say, odd happenings. Create Netflix watch party experiences. Do you have the gift of hosting? Set up themed Netflix watch parties for events like birthdays or corporate team building. Charge a fee for creating a fun atmosphere with decorations, trivia games, and snack packs inspired by the shows. Pro tip: a Bridgerton-themed party with tiny sandwiches and fancy hats. That's a vibe people will pay for. Become a streaming coach. Believe it or not, some people are overwhelmed by the sheer number of shows on Netflix. If you're that friend who always knows what to watch, offer your services as a streaming coach. Help clients curate personalized playlists, discover hidden gems, or navigate Netflix's vast library. Advertise your services on platforms like Fiverr or social media, and you might just become the Netflix whisperer everyone needs. Write Netflix-focused content. If you're a writer, consider pitching articles to entertainment blogs or websites. Think top 10 hidden gems on Netflix you haven't seen yet, or how Netflix is changing the way we watch TV. Freelance platforms like Upwork or Medium can connect you with clients who'll pay you for your Netflix expertise. And who knows, your articles might even get you noticed by Netflix itself. And there you have it. Netflix isn't just a platform to watch, it's a platform to earn. Whether you're reviewing shows, designing merch, or hosting epic watch parties, there's no shortage of ways to turn your Netflix time into income. So what's your go-to Netflix hustle? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative money-making tips. Because the next time someone says you're wasting your time on Netflix, you can proudly say, nope, I'm building my empire. Until next time, happy streaming and happy earning.